Hello, dear. How are you?
How's it going? Good to see. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, how are you?
I'm good. I'm a little bit rushed because I need to fly, like I mentioned to you today. But it's okay. I have some minutes. The more important thing is I want to touch in base with you is about how you're gonna be focused to the work. Um, you mentioned about Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook
So I
page.
don't know if you had a chance to looking for the web page.
Yeah. If you grow your business, first of all, you should maintain your Facebook page, and Facebook page follower will grow. Then you will get more traffic on your website from Facebook to website
So you want to
directly.
work in Facebook focus of people that getting direct to my web page.
Right, a web page. First of all,
Okay.
your Facebook follower will grow. Then you should run Facebook ad campaign. Okay, through Facebook ads campaign, you will get more traffic on customer uh, website on your website, and your
Okay.
sales will grow more and more.
Okay. So what you want to what you need for start to working in that?
Okay, I need to start for first of all you give me access for an editor, and
Oh, I need to ask me for that because let me see if I have that information here. Um, one
okay.
second.
এই একটু সুনাম করিও।
Okay, there. I will do for your Facebook page. I will do first of all SEO friendly description, uh, schedule post, and your follower will grow. And I suggest to you that first of all you can hire me for 10 days. Okay, and after 10 days, if you see a good result, then you will hire for next month or permanently.
Exactly. Yeah, I want to see how everything work first. Um, and after that, one second because I'm looking for the information here.
Can I
So
share? Can I share my screen, sir?
yes,
Okay.
you see me now? Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, is it your page, right?
Uh huh.
Okay. See, the your Facebook followers is very low, and your post engagement is very low. Only 8 react and no comment. Only one comment and no SEO friendly description. Okay,
Okay.
and no proper engagement expectation engagement you have not. So I will do your for your
গ্রোয়ার
Facebook page. Hello sir, are you here? Hear me
I
properly?
I I'm here.
Okay. uh, I will provide properly SEO friendly description and your follower will grow. Okay, and after 10 days you will run Facebook ad campaign. Through this ad campaign you will get more or exactly traffic people on your website. You will get exact people.
Exactly. No, I understand.
Okay.
I understand about
Thank you
that.
sir. you are
Okay, so
you are looking
because
for
I'm
handsome
trying
sir.
to what you need from the Facebook how to get in is to have the password.
Yeah,
নো
yeah. I don't need password. You have give me access on your Facebook page as an editor. Do you know
In,
how to do it?
for the Squarespace.
Yes, Facebook page.
Squarespace.
Squarespace. Sorry, sir, I don't understand.
What my edit? Ah, you want my editor for from
No.
my web page?
My age is 24.
Yeah. You need to have the editor. Let me pass it to you. This. Hold on 1 second, and let's
Okay.
take a look because I don't know if this is what you need. Gazi. Okay.
এই তুমি তোমার
Take a look.
ফেসবুকে
Take a look on this to see if this is what you need.
Okay, sir. Actually, we have an agency in Bangladesh. We work team basis. So first of all, you give me an editor as an editor on your Facebook page. Do you know how to do it?
Okay, take a look of the message that I sent to you to your WhatsApp to see if this is what you're looking for.
Okay. I will message on your website. Okay, sir. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, you are very good person. Thank you.
So anyway, let me know. So you want to work it for 10 days,
Uh,
uh, and you think that in 10 days I will see some result.
okay. Can I share my budget for 10 days?
Yes, of course. But what I would like to know is in 10 days we want to start to see results.
Okay. Sir, first of all, first for 10 days, you will give me $100.
No, that I know. My question is not that.
Is
My
it?
question is
এই কোশ্চেনটা শোনো।
Okay, sir. Please tell me again.
my question is in 10 days we will see some result.
Yeah, yes, you will see good result. Not same as you will see high quality result on your
Okay.
Facebook page.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, sir. Is it higher for your? Is it high for your budget?
Well, the only thing is I need to know if that it will be work. I need to see if that it will be work. If that won't work, um, let's see from there. You know.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Uh, please give me an editor as an editor. I will do work start from today. Do you want
Did
to
you
start
already
from
check?
today?
Did you already check my text?
Okay. I will check your text. Okay, sir.
Check my text and let me know if this is what you need.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Bye bye.